So, how to fix Telegram login problem? Hello guys, in today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix the login problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded. Go to Telegram. After you find it, let's search for it. Here is it, click on it. And now click here on this option and then go down to the notifications management. Now right here, make sure that all those options are enabled and make sure also to enable this option right here. Now go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache and then go back again, click on the power usage details and turn off the power consumption alert, then enable it again. And now reopen Telegram and congratulations, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end.